Ding, 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 ding.
Hello and welcome back to Mortal Kombat 11, Defnation CB, PsN account. It's Friday free, actually. It's Ladies' Day, on all over the world, of course. And this is part 12, actually, on DjVolgin and Defnation CB account. Let's just check out where I have my manners today. Oh, hell. Cold outside, huh? Little punk. So, music and beer. Also get a present today. Okay, what we got in here? Könnt ihr mal aufhören zu schlagen hier und euch fertig zu machen? Zieht euch mal schöne Kleider an und hockt euch einen Hut auf oder so. Und rennt gegen die Spiegelscheibe oder so. Hier, 2 Handys gleichzeitig aktivieren. Geile Sache. So, das ist schon mal aus. Das ist schon mal sehr schlecht. Ist ein Scheiß. Ich kann mich selbst abonnieren. Ach nee, ich muss mich wieder anmelden, ey. Jeden Tag muss ich mich anmelden bei Blödsinns YouTube, ey. Das YouTube kann mich echt mal langsam am Arsch, Alter. Ach, kein Internet wieder eingeschalten. Du bist der beste Mann. Jetzt kommen halt diese Typen wieder und hauen sich den Kopf ein. Und ich kann es nicht hören, Alter. Ich will es nicht hören, bevor ich hab noch nicht mal angefangen hier. Weißt du, wie ich mein? Weißt du, wie ich mein? Jo. Geht nicht. Mein Gott, wieder 30 Mal das Passwort eingeben, dann den Passkey eingeben, dann den. Hauptsache es geht einfacher und schneller, aber es geht eigentlich wirklich überhaupt nicht einfacher und schneller. Wenn man irgendwas vergisst, Alter, dann ist man vollkommen im Arsch. Ich bin schon wieder so richtig. Was willst du denn jetzt? Ich hab dir nichts getan. Ja, das bin ich. Verpiss dich. Halt's Maul. Mach mich nicht hier wütend hier. Pack doch mal. nee, ich will so. Alles gut heute. Ja, es dauert Stunden, es tut sich hier gar nichts und wir sind schon drin. Er hat sogar Mortal Kombat 11 schon erkannt. Ich muss ja gleich cringen, Alter. Oder so. Wie heißt sich das? So, oder? Nee, was habe ich jetzt geschrieben? Geinsch. Ja, yo, bist du blöd oder so? Ich habe doch I geschrieben. Ach, jetzt bin ich total durcheinander. Jetzt schreibe ich schon. What is this? Exactly.
Cringe.
To all.
Hello all.
Oh, hier müssen wir ja nichts ändern. Ich habe doch gestern Mortal Kombat gespielt. Warum steht hier KX am Anfang? Ich bin schockiert, ich muss mir mal was anschauen. Ja. Komm, geh weiter jetzt hier, weiterladen. Ist das noch drin? Alter, wenn es noch drin ist. Nee, natürlich ist es nicht drin. Geh mal weiter hier. Komm her! Was ist das denn? Komm her! German English word. Komm her! Get over here! Sucker! Come here. Is that the German version or something? Is that the German version? Ist so geil. Komm, mach weiter laden jetzt hier. Oh, ist das nervig, ey. Ich krieg jetzt schon wieder Rappel, ey. Sie im Hintergrund betteln, Alter, und du hängst hier ab hier im Dämlich-Modus, Alter, musst alles eingeben und rumscheißen hier und ach, wir sind fertig. So, wir haben ja gestern, hast du da keine Playlist dazugefügt? Zur Playlist hinzufügen. Schauen wir mal. Nö. Ich bin ein Depp und bleibe ein Depp. Ich hab's vergessen. War mir anscheinend egal. Jack Bauer hört sich das ungefähr so an, wenn das passiert. Ach, was ist denn hier passiert eigentlich? Was ist das nochmal? Wo die Leichen runterwirft. Oh, was machst du denn jetzt hier? Ach nee, was machst du denn? Ich will das sehen, wo die Leichen aus dem Fenster fallen. Weiß nicht, was ich getan habe. Ja, gute Frage. Okay, ja. Was ist denn das? Ah, nee, ist auch nicht. Okay, da hat er sich schon aus dem Fenster geworfen. Ich komme doch überhaupt nicht mehr mit hier mit Jack. Herr Bauer, reißen Sie sich doch mal zusammen. Welcome back to Welcome. Nein, no. I'm still in process. Hello, I'm using the control system. You son of a... I just doing something and these... I heard actually some rumor that Metal Gear Solid was the worst. 2 seconds and it goes into the intro. And you get forced to press X button. Why? Here we go again. I'm not sure about to play actually Spotify music in here in my ears, but I should do. Chill up, mate. Komm schon, ey, ich steck mir das Bohrding da schon rein. Guckt schon raus. Was ist das für ein dämliches Ding, Alter? So, was machen wir jetzt? Es ist ja so kompliziert hier, ne? Learn. Tutorial. Where's the tutorial? Das Mikrofon kaputt ist so. Ach nee, jetzt geht es hier 20.000 Jahre weiter oder was? Ja, danke, habe ich fast, danke, ja, mache ich, gestern schon, ja, keiner hat zugeschaut, ich sehe keine Sau. What the hell I'm doing now? 3 days, going crazy. It's like a dog is waiting actually for his... What's that? Where's the music coming up? Oh, sorry for that one. Here we go. That's maximized. Pom 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 it's gone over something. And starting with drinking. Just occupying a strawberry loose. Los, Gott, brauchst du das nicht schnell? Die Musik hängt oder so. What's up with the music, yo? Hey DJ, what's your patterns, yo? Shut up, keep high. Good night. Good morning.
Jetzt Combat spielen.
Where's my ashtray anyway? Oh God. Beer eats cigarilles. Yeah. Guess what? Banana needs... Oh, come on, shut up. And I don't care. Nothing to hit you anymore, mate. It's always so far away. Yo, time for a little tequila before we started. Yeah, I like that stuff. Some Persians in the background. Hanging around a long time, eh? Alright, where's my fire toy? Why is this there? Pisces. Schlechter Scherz oder was? Funktioniert der nicht mal? Wo ist denn das Originalfeuerzeug, junger Mann? Du hast das nicht vorgenommen. Bring dich um. Ja, was ist denn hier? Ach, ich soll halten. Doch mir scheißegal. See if I get the trophy actually 100 times dog in a match. But actually we're in the tutorial, right? Yeah, it's freezing fucking cold outside. It's just by 0. So that's actually a t-shirt contest for me. Oh my god. Where are we now? Why should I do that? This is bullshit, yo. The power goes. Let's do another session. Email Hasashi's actually watching. Oh shit. Karate! Hit the dojo, motherfucker. Ready to compete. No bad matchups. Your tutorial ends here. You are, without a fight, the best of the worst. Hey, that's something. Is like actually an F+, right? Alright, we got these, what's that? Tutorial we got done? Okay, yeah, I got actually a list for today. Because normally I'm gonna work in 10 minutes. 28 minutes actually the work starts, so, hey, come on, but it's a free day. I only know that in 2 hours actually somebody is getting me work for an hour. And then I'm back and I'm playing correct, maybe, or just I'm sleeping. Alright, let's see. We need a match. Also, we need a multi-tower battle. What's that? Is that in a fight? Man, what's wrong with my lips today? Left and right is just a little shitty. Ah, mate. Something. I don't feel good. It's like the phone nigga saying, diary is coming soon. Yeah. Thanks for watching, by the way. Group battle. Group battle. This is tower stuff, right? Group battle. Online. So online. I think. You have to go online with that. Yeah, right. Checking player status. You an asshole. Hold on, player status, oh gosh. Hold on, customize. Character collections. I actually don't wanna making this one up, but okay, let's see. Skins, right? So we have skins, somber, not actually, no, okay, we started this game. Whoa. Wow. What happened here? Oh, mate. God, but Mac, I don't see something here. What was that? The Gerät oder was? Oh, come on, I'm not done yet. Set as default. Change. What's that? Change name icon. Ah, here we go. Nothing new, right? Alright, okay, this is okay. Done. Then we can change other things. Oh, they're already in work. Why? Up. Boost your instant abilities. Okay. Kung Dong Doctor or what? Lol. So what we already unlocked, okay, abilities. We have some, but they're boring, okay. It's taking 2 slots. Had behavior. What's that? Oh, Kyber Mac, you're in a way, mate. Let's see. Going right. Okay, best nothing. Rush down. Right, done. You having problems? Yeah, alright. My question is, where can I do solo? There must be somewhere. Was that display cause a match? Was that or hide connection to LED? Yeah, if you want. Audio. Alright, do you wanna save the changes? No. Oh, it was L2 or L. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, I got it.
Getting some coins.
Something's wrong with the voice here.
Comment.
Wow, the beer, man. Lousy. New 7 special moves. I was definitely drunk yesterday off the correct. Available each day, so actually at night today. Excuse me.
Claim your reward.
Ah, that takes too long, okay.
Johnny H.
Alright, let's just do something else. This is boring. Where is that again? The tower stuff. Towers. Okay, conquer, classic tower, towers of time, right? So it's an online trophy. So it's not possible actually for people that are offline and playing all the time offline because they don't like internet and living outside of the earth or something. Feel sorry for them. Touch. Okay, where you can see that again? When you can play with other peoples together, with other ones to each other. Oh my god, what? Here we go. Co-op mode, very hardcore. Alright, that's cool. Very extreme hardcore. Okay. Let's see if somebody want to play this.
Some players. Play some.
Let's proceed alone. No. Alright. Let's catch up. It's a freezy fucking
Right there. I think I saw myself.
no.
Looking for teammates.
The music is too loud, sir. Thank you very much. Shh, hush now. I do not know how actually the description is working on YouTube. Here's a link actually on my playlist on Spotify. Enjoy. Tschüss, hab keine Schwache, so wie es gerade diesen Match spielen. Await the worst. Ah, ich glaube, ich kann gar nicht so viel saufen, Alter, bis ich warten muss hier. Bis jemand reinkommt. Bis hier jemand reinkommt. Oh gosh. What kind of a... Oh my god. What kind of a player we should actually... That is fucked up, right? That time, dude. Herblooms. Made a shadow guy or something was cracked, right? Oh yeah, well this maybe takes forever because it's Mortal Kombat 11. And everybody plays actually Need for Speed Unbound or Mortal Kombat 1. Oh my god, you joined. I can't believe it. It's time. Yeah, it is time. What's that? I'm not wanna fight with each other. Are we now ready or something? Mortal Kombat! Oh, it's me first? Oh shit, myself. Shut up then. Why is my microphone in the game off? I'm weird. And I'm first. Oh gosh. Okay, well. Alright, whatever. Select your character. Selecting my character. I don't see where DefRekka is. I think it is. Hello? I'm selected. Nothing happens. Oh gosh, now it starts up. Cheers up then. Ganbarimasu. Banzai! You're not gonna survive this. Or dealing with it.
Dieses Mal bleibst du unten.
Arroganz kann mich nicht töten.
Kung Lao schon.
Fight.
Oh, wonderful. Main menu comes up. Shit. Shit.
Dein Ende ist nah.
Meine Freunde auch.
Fight.
Send him to hell.
Dein Ende ist nah.
Good luck out there.
Fight.
What happened? Oh my god. Fujinator. Do your worst, sir. Man, that makes goosebumps.
Fujin wins.
Awesome. Thanks,
Wow.
guys.
Arigato. Anthony Domo. Domo arigato. How they're making actually message side buys, I can't do that. I don't know how. That was what the fuck with Fujin. DLC stuff, eh? Okay, I have something to do in here. But I'm definitely coming back in here and help out. Okay, hold on. Hangings, gone, good battle, done. Victory intros, not working. Yet, not yet. 100 in a match, 100 times ducking, and Krypt. I will be back. Was it 8 hours? Until actually 16 o'clock. Oh gosh, I will definitely be back. Ah, my day is actually already done. What is awaiting us today? Zeus Island. Welcome to the Krypt.
Willkommen, Reisender. Ich bin Shang Tsung. Und Und dies ist meine Insel. Ich lade dich
Shit.
ein, alles zu
What is it?
erkunden. In den Inselruinen verstecken sich Schätze, Magie und besondere Artefakte. Nimm dir, was du brauchst, aber in Maßen. Deine Zeit hier wird sich für dich lohnen.
So, sich begrenzt es, du Motherfucker.
Looks so sad. So sad.
So sad. Right, let's grab up some of this. I hate this third person mode. Item unlocked. I'm rich, biatch. Hold it. No things to do, eh? We maybe continue sooner or later. My magic shoes. Conqueror of our world, Shao Kahn. Ready for slashing, eh? Huh, large. Somebody's strangling out there, eh? Ah, I need a tequila.
Sierra, 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 tequila.
Okay, this is bullshit. What's that, Kiki? Hey, do face. Got up a mag, neither the bad. Something wrong here with the cam? Hold on. That's the first perspective I don't like. I can't help you out, dudes. Your first day? I'm sorry, I can't help you, mate. What the hell? I can't do it. Ah, so sleep. Ring the dong gong. Enough already. Wise you spend.
Zauberei ist nicht meine einzige Gabe. Ich bin auch ein Erfinder. Diese bescheidene Schmiede ist eins meiner Meisterstücke. Sie kann gesammelte Gegenstände in neue, nützlichere umschmieden.
As you see, nothing. Alright, where shall we go?
Als Kind bat ich die Götter im Gebet um Gnade. Später verstand ich, dass ihre Gnade Tribut kostet. Teile deine Reichtümer und du wirst belohnt werden.
Und du wirst belohnt werden. Suck it, my friend. Shall we pay again? Give me that money. Elder Blazing Champion Lucan. That's it for the first time. Kneel down and go to the main menu. How was this confirming? Are you in a Japanese game or something? This crack? Alright. Alright. There's 100 duck match stuff, but first, we help somebody out. Oh, where I'm going again. Sorry for that one. Sometimes it's irritating, this game. Get over here! Got my... Okay, it doesn't matter. Oh, yeah, of course. You shall do. Hold on. Customize first before you fight. Sun lens on. It's fucking freezing cold outside, goddammit. My feet are freezing right now. Did I forget something? No? Good. Let's do this again. Alright, time for free time in half hour. So that music is going to be in a loop right now for me, and that's Spotify music right now. I'm listening for the song Korea Plugs. Shut up. Hi, das war das Kolperos und die Snack spielen. Time for helping out. Every fucking HP is helping to decrease. Mudgy Mudgy. How's your Friday, Monday morning? Somebody just told me a Friday is like a Monday. It's the first day, one of the last days you work. It's true. Is it? Decide how you actually act on Monday. I have to work a little bit today, for an hour long. And it's Saturday a bit as well on the friend side. Yeah, well, you need some persons actually to hype them up, you know, on the roof, so totally understandable. Can't do that alone, that's the problem. It's bullshit. See? Pisces, helper syndrome. Cheers out. Get over here! Sometimes works. Sometimes not. It didn't wait on me only, right? I can't help. A bit later then. Okay. Oh, what's that? Must be some bug on my classic barrel chair. Blessed towers. Oh, I hate these Chronica there. Holy shit, what I did. Oh, that's too long. Just a short play. Not my favorite. But he's the fastest one for that one. Definitely.
Liu Kang.
Select your variation. Oh, come on. It's just Chronica. Normally I do them hard. Without Chronica, right? Oh. No, hold on. I don't want to have something in here. This is totally cheating then. There's only one trophy. You have to dock 100 times. Let's see if I can do it in here.
Ich will deine Gebete beantworten.
Ich
Yeah.
bete nur für Frieden.
Destroyer of Earth, eh?
Dann
Thought actually you're
unterwirf
protecting the Earth.
Round one. Fight.
Kneel down for my actions. Sorry, that's a trophy. 100 times duck in a match. Where the hell are you aiming for? I need to go to the toilet fast. Holy shit. I'm starting to duplicate myself. I think it's right now 50 times. Whew, I think it's starting up to my stomach. I'm getting diarrhea already. Here we go. Oh my days. Oh, how are you waiting for? For restarting forwardly. Oh gosh. Excuse me. Bad manners. Welcome to Bavaria, Germany. Sorry for that one. Seriously. Indeed. Oh, hell. I'm a little bit doozy right now. Shut up. No stripping. Earplugs run off, plop off. Facing right. I don't care. My second beer. My first cigarette. Come on, mouse. Oh, I'm dead already. Okay, cool. I think I need to decapitate you, Queen of Earth, normally. Oh, I'm not that guy actually in the corner stuff. Get out of the corner. Come on, get over here. Oh shit. I fucked that up. Mid. Here we go. Oh gosh, no way.
Wins.
The 80s, eh? Yeah, look how sweet he's looking right now. He's so gorgeous looking. Where are you darting at? Why your nipples are bleeding? Oh well, okay. Keep going forward. Wow, look hard. Must be a joke or something. With all your respect. Nah, to work about my running stuff, I know.
Noch ein sich tretender Musterknabe.
Ich habe keine Skrupel, dich zu töten.
Vielleicht wird es doch lustig.
Nein, das ist mir zu gruselig jetzt gerade. Du Arsch. Schon der ganze Scherz rausgehauen oder was? Ah, was ist denn los, Alter? The worst Mortal Kombat player ever.
Es ist die Wahrheit, kein Mythos.
Round 2. Fight!
I'm not so consistent today. Not blocking, no nothing. I'm terrible to play for today.
Finish him.
Wanna get friendship? With that loser like you? No. Nobody wants to make friendship with me. Alright, that's... I'm a charitable player. I'm better than drifting. That's some fucking kicking asses. That's different than my real life, right? You have not even a driver license. So what's the verse then on me? Driving. Kick ass, no problem. Virtual life, I can't kick ass. But I'm a good drifter. She's up. Talking too much, right? Bring something with you. What the hell is that? The whole tower. Okay. Enjoy the cheater life. Gosh, a girl.
Nicht ein bisschen.
You wanna spend some time with me?
Fight.
Our life is just poisoned. Shouldn't get together somewhere. Sometimes. Oh, shall we? I think this is your... What is this guy doing in the background?
Round 2.
Cage Johnny there. I think it's a poison partnership we're starting up in here. I'm so sorry, girl. And we was together sometimes? I can't remember.
Brain facility.
Vanquish. Sorry, honey. That date was a blind date, definitely.
Get over here, guy!
Kampf mit Feuer, Liu Kang.
Ist das bei dir nicht immer so?
Ich spreche von Titaners Gefühlen.
Your toilet paper runs out? Or what's going on here? I can't. Crouching chap, what the hell is that? Low attack.
Round 2. Fight.
Für mein Schmerz.
Why's this game so complicated, like Mortal Kombat 10? Gosh, tell me that.
Finish him.
I can't remember about the Mercy one. If somebody tells me the combination on PlayStation 4, the combination for Mercy,
Liu Kang wins.
Mercy button combo. Anyone.
I like beer drinking in the morning. I like burping. Nah, the beer is not the beer like I was drinking actually for 20 years ago. Starting not to drink beer. Cheers up. Tequila! Party jump. If you're German and starting up to speak English, you totally forgot what you actually mean. Oh, we can't. And you already actually the next hours I forgot what I just did. It's like the English actually completely erased my mind. So if you ask me in 4 hours what I just did actually in the live stream, I don't know what I was talking about.
Ich hab dich schon erwartet.
Somebody's talking to me.
Dein Name, der getilgt und vergänzlich.
You're boring.
Es ist Zeit. Jetzt stirbst du.
No, it's time to live,
Round 1.
fucker.
Fight.
Oh, you again? Oh, come on, honey.
In der neuen Ära ist kein Platz für dich.
One of broader movies, eh? Think it well. Oh, smash! One of my best friends, eh?
Gewinnst in keiner Zeitlinie.
Let's end this fast, honey. Destroy a galaxy, eh? Cheerio. Yeah, now you're living in your hourglass. How's that?
Was bedeutet es, über den Sand der Zeit zu verfügen, der Auserwählte zu sein? Es heißt, herzzerreißende Entscheidungen zu treffen.
Oh, that's perfect.
Zum Schutz aller teilte ich Chronikas Macht mit den Leuten, denen ich am meisten vertraue und die ich schätze. Zusammen ersetzten wir die Götterältesten, die Cetrion verraten hatte, und wurden ewige
Oh my god, how the Thunder God actually is watching.
Jedoch,
I'm old and
mein Herz sehnt sich nach einem einfachen Leben, das einem als Auserwählten verwehrt bleibt.
I think I'm running out of toilet paper as well.
Who the hell is that?
Was Kitana und ich nicht für diese einfachen Freuden geben würden.
Oh no, we never came back together. Bullshit.
Vielleicht.
More like the kiss of death. It's just the music, it's awesome. It makes me goosebumps. Get the music off. That music made. I want to hear it actually by 5,200 Sinos. What? The pumps in. God, that stuff. Oh, come on, the best effect in here, right? Oh gosh, it remembers me on Need for Speed on the cover. That music is great. Get over here!
You never will pick up Yamabuchi Gushi.
Bruh. Check up. Time to grab me some beer. It's actually time to not grab beer. Alright. And he's starting up actually to move into Günther. So many things today to do, dealing done. Oh, what the fuck? Yay! By nonsense. Oh my gosh. The saga is continuing. I'm going to the toilet, grab me a beer, and we continue a little while. Something to clean up first. I'm cleaning my dishes. Cleaning very hard. Oh, there's knives in here. What the hell is going on here? Very mad yesterday, eh? Was I? Sorry for that one. Boy, you who something this crap is going on in here. Get off from there! Ow. Oh, Alter. Die rauchen doch, wenn ich sie da reinwerfe. Das ist so krass.
Yonan Kinta, Hangi Hochiwa Hangetsuka. Nitoko in Tsukui Bazo Kadai des.
Rauchen immer noch. So, Meister, was ist los mit dir? Was wirst du zuerst tun? Wäsche waschen? So hochgehen? Ich muss ja mit Arbeitskleidung fast schon gehen, weil... Egal. Julian wird höchstwahrscheinlich jetzt gerade die Anhänger abholen. Und nicht so begeistert ist, mit Doppelkabine rückwärts zu fahren. Will ich verstehen. Puh, hier stinkt's aber auch, ey. Was ist denn schon wieder hier drin? Grabbing some beer. Lass ihn jetzt mal arbeiten. Nächste Woche haben wir was Schlimmes vor uns. Looking for teammates. Trying to help out. Good battle casual match. Looking for some teammates. Look to the last Luna. Brings luck in the crypt. Access the moveless to see what can corrupt. Hello? Oh hell. I hate that. Jeez, ich hab kein Pein, wie sie nicht so los, weil ich brauche nicht mehr spielen. Come on, I just wanna help. Took just actually 1 minute and people's helped me out. Now I wanna help back. How we can do then? Is it a joke or something? Okay, I'm watching right now something else. Be right back. Hold on a sec. From 72% to 80%. Hit the dojo, ready to compete. No bad matchup. Teamwork, my magic shoes, enough already. Give me that money. All my days. All in just actually 75 minutes in the live stream. Hell, I had at the warrior shrine. Spare 50 hanging bodies to the crypt. Equip 5 different character victories. Equip 5 different character intros. Defeat an opponent as a bug devourer. Complete 250 towers. Open 200 crypt chests. Elder God. Understood. So, what's up? Nothing to help out? Everybody got the trophies in this crack? Man. Weird. even can beat this one.
Cetrion.
Gambarimas. What happened? This normally should be done. Seriously.
Auch Götterälteste haben Seelen.
Mit einer Macht, die dich auslöscht.
Deine Sorge ist vermerkt, Cetrion.
Round 1. Fight.
Hard over there.
Round 2. Fight.
Fucking dragon challenge. What's crouching jabs, goddammit? I can't even do something with him. This dragon challenge is bullshit, mate. Bullshit.
Finish her.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, wonderful. Dragon challenge sucks. Oh, sometimes I... Oh, this is all bullshit, mate.
Fatality. Shang Tsung wins.
Okay. Dragon challenge. Go fuck yourself. It's just, I watched and tried the dragon challenge, but he was so much fucked up me. Retry, of course. Clown mode. Let's get this over with.
2, fight!
I'm sorry, that was too fast. Oh, that looks nice. Water and fire, okay. Still the server on Warner Brothers are working. Like it. What's O'Brien actually doing, Mr. Corner?
Round 1, fight!
That was an invitation, goddammit.
Round 2, fight!
Game over.
French. Cetrion wins.
Oh gosh, that mill. Let her have fun then. Oh gosh, a mill. I think you have to go now. Really? Well, I think that's it. Still have beer and my cigarette is still burning. Just a 20 minutes or something is crack. Not my type, you know. Remembers me how old I am. Oh man, you suck! Well, it takes forever. Okay, well. But I'm going to the toilet.
Or can you get this with it? I'm on toilet. Hold on a second. I'm coming. Oh shit. Mate. On my way. Hold on. That's unfair. What happened? Oh, left the game. Come on, dude. I thought actually we're fighting. Man, I was in toilet immediately, troop. Crack, mate. What the hell was that? Trying to help you guys. Hold on a second before we're doing this one, right? The beard is everywhere. Why is my microphone is working actually when we are... What's that? Classic.
Fight! 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 Fight!
Online. Speech to text on. Okay, on. Why am my microphone isn't on for that stuff? Why? Hold on, is it about audio sharing settings or all on? Why's my microphone never on for that? Camera, auto sharing. No, hold on, it must be something else. Mute game voice chat. Mute game voice chat. If you turn on this one, your voice won't be heard. And you won't be heard of the voices of the other players. Settings to play the parties. So is it necessary then? Hold on. Hello? Testing microphone. Oh. Has something to do with these, okay. Let's try it out. Which is a game. Yes, let's go. Try a little fun. So now I can interact with other people's actually on PlayStation 4. Talking to them, make friendship and all this stuff. Yes, I wanna assist, of course. Searching for players. Find allies to assist you. Aha! Invite friends to assist you. Warning. Facing a boss alone will be extremely difficult. But I want to actually helping other persons. Can we just be... We can't change that, right? No. I want to assist other people's. Oh, this game is weird. Fucking hell no. Weird. I think this will open up. You should drink up. Cheering up. Need to go, leaving in 20 minutes. Thank you very much for watching here a little while. I will be actually go to combat. Not anymore today. I want to go to Car X in the afternoon. Cheers up, campaign, the strawberry to lose, but the next stream. Antonio. Farm first. Fuck hell. I don't need the players going on. I want to help you guys. Theater mode. Nobody wanna join us, eh? Oh, my microphone is working. I can't believe it. It's only for the live stream. I'm so sorry. Hello, Antonio. Oh, come on. Get a third player. This is fucked up. I love Baraka. Sub-Zero.
Frost. Noob Simon. Scarlet.
This time actually somebody's coming up. No, right?
Frost.
You can't play actually. Oof, Sub-Zero. It's stupid. Welcome to Bavaria, Germany, where the sun is coming up right now and rising and destroying my whole live stream. My plasma TV says actually covered in the sun 80%.
Aussehen, Garrus.
Chroniker gab dir nicht meine Macht.
Weil mein Talent deins bei weitem übersteigt.
Fight!
Das wollen wir mal sehen. Oder ich kann nicht mal eine Anfang machen, weil ich schon tot. What the fuck? Oh, it's not working, okay. Ah, come on! Oh, this is not fair.
Fight!
Can't do something. Here we go. Something's coming up. What the fuck? Recover time. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's okay, Antonio. Asshole. You fucked it up. I'm a worst player in Mortal Kombat. I hate fighting games. I'm so sorry. Shall we try? Waiting for other person? I have time. Little tequila. So we can't wait for another person, right? What shall I do? Kotal Khan, Aaron Black. You know what? He's the biggest motherfucker. Ah, I need a piss off, dude.
Ich muss noch entlohnt werden. Die Zahlung kommt pünktlich. Betrüge
Wirklich?
lieber keinen Betrüger.
Fight!
Schlechte Wahl.
Au!
Die Zeit hält für niemanden.
Fight!
Pain. While chocolate's fast. Time to go, eh? Yeah. No.
Das ist aber verzwickt. Kannst du sein Genick schneller brechen, als ich den Schönling hier ausweiten kann? Denk dran, es gibt 2 für 1. Stirbt er, geht deine Kleine auch drauf.
Danke, Kano.
Wofür?
Dass du mich an die Regeln erinnerst.
Moment.
Netter Trick. Den klaue ich mir für Timequake. Wollen wir mal essen gehen? Als Dank dafür, dass du mein Leben gerettet hast. Und, als Entschuldigung für mich. Kein Druck, keine Romantik.
Geduld ist eine Tugend, Cage.
No! No!
Was ist das?
Was für ein Zufall.
Wer ist der besondere Gastschurke?
Geras. Chroniker Schläger. Angeblich kann man ihn nicht töten.